Here we have a semi-automatic Screenguard. They're available in 100 micron, 130 micron and 200 micron. The mechanism is quite an interesting concept. So you've got a literal lever here at the top to turn to clean the unit, and we'll quickly run through the operation. So normally you'd have the screen inside of the cover there, and this screen separates the incoming water, which comes out on the inside, from the outgoing water going out that side. The water comes out the middle and basically runs through the center of the screen, and then all the dirt gets stuck on the inside of this actual screen filter. And then for cleaning, what you would do is you'd open this valve at the bottom here, which is linked to the end of the pipe, which then allows the water to, instead of pushing through the screen, to go out the bottom. And because there's no resistance there, and you have your water flow on the inside here, as the water runs, it'll go in. You'll create suction through these little jets, and you'd slowly rotate this up and down until the whole inside of the filter is covered, and then in effect it's sucking from the inside of the filter out to drain to actually clean the unit. Okay, so basic operation is we've got it now running in here, going out there. It's got a pressure differential sensor basically that pops out and tells you if the filter is dirty. So let's say you find that the filter is dirty or the indicator indicates it needs cleaning. What you would do is you would open up this valve at the bottom and then run through it all the way up and down slowly, and then it basically sucks the dirt out and sends it down the drain there. And it's as simple as that. It's a very nice, easy to operate unit. And what's nice with this is, compared to the manual ones or the disc filters, you don't actually have to disassemble the unit and open it to clean it. You can just clean it in place and just open the valve to drain.